To export a single model from Blender, and we are using 2.9, simply go to the Layout tab, and we are in Object mode. Go ahead and select the object or objects you want to export, and once you do, go up to File, Export, and then choose your format from the list here. I'm going to go with .dae. And at this point, for those of you wondering where the hell is the Selection Only button in 2.9, it's no longer on the left. It's now on the right under Operator Presets. So if you don't see it, go up to Operator Presets, Restore Defaults, and on the main tab, click on Selection Only, and now only what you have selected will export, not the entire scene. If you aren't seeing this interface option in a 2.9, this can happen because the interface is actually stored as part of the blend file. So you might be having some inconsistencies between different versions of Blender, the way that those interfaces were programmed. So what we can do to kind of reset everything to factory default is go up to File, go up to Defaults, and then Load Factory Settings. Go ahead and click on it again to confirm. And this is going to open up a default scene. And at that point, go up to Edit, Preferences, and under the Save and Load tab, make sure that the Load UI option is unchecked. So we're going to uncheck that. Go ahead and save our preferences, and then close the window. And now, when you go to open your blend scene, the next time you go and select an object to export, you should then see under File, Export, File Type, that Operator Presets window over in the upper right. And again, on the main tab, it is Selection Only. And of course, if you had some child objects as part of your selection, go ahead and include them as well.